That is super cool. I just took a shot.
Did you want to taste the other one?
Yes, girl. Yes, girl. She gonna get me right, y'all. She get me right over here. See y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Hey, y'all. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making a seafood boil in the oven. We're gonna be doing like the foil packs, okay? So this is majority of the stuff that we are going to be using. I do have more stuff, and I will tell you what it is I will tell you what it is along the way. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off with our Shire farm sausage. Y'all can see what that is. Yeah, everybody uses this right here. It's a good one right here. We got 3 eggs I'm going to boil. We have a green bell pepper, a red bell pepper. We have 3 lemons. We have butter. Yes, that country crock, y'all. And we got some red potatoes. I got some lime juice. I have 2 corn on the cob, which I'm going to cut up. And our seasonings over here, we have some crab boil, y'all. Yes, baby. Y'all know about that Zatarain. Yes. Okay. And we got some parsley. We got some garlic powder. We got some red peppers, crushed red peppers. We have some lemon pepper. I'm gonna use my Italian seasoning, y'all. I'll put that in almost everything along with my parsley, okay? We got some onion powder, some regular salt. I got my black pepper. Yes, y'all, look at this cute little container right here. Yes, y'all, yes, okay. I got my Old Bay. I got some seasoning salt. I got some accent. Some paprika and some Creo seasoning. Yes, y'all, my Tonys. Yeah, y'all know about the Tonys, y'all. Okay, and I got some green onions. Okay, I don't think I left anything out. I do have my shrimp. I do have to go ahead and vein that, peel it and vein it. And what else? I think that's it, y'all. Oh yeah, and don't forget to, I'll show y'all along the way. So y'all, let's get it. The crab boil in the house. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna continue to cut the potatoes, and I'll be back. Let it continue to record though. Don't stop it. I want to see something real quick. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and cut this corn. Like, maybe not. Hold on, y'all. Oh, okay, I can break them. Yes, y'all. We just gonna do it like so. Break them like that. Okay, y'all, so I got the corn cut up like so. I'm gonna be doing 2 to 3 packets. I'll let y'all know along the way. See y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and finally cut up some green bell peppers, and I'm gonna cut a red bell pepper too, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm using these type of sausages, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and just cut these like so at an angle. It don't gotta be perfect, but you wanna make sure it is gonna be able to have some nice pieces, you know, nice pieces. I'm trying to go at an angle, y'all. Not a professional, okay? But I enjoy cooking. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting up these sausages like so, and I will be back. Okay, y'all, so I cooked my potatoes. Come on, focus. It ain't focusing. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and season up my seafood boil. I am so excited, y'all. So we're gonna first start off by putting a little virgin olive oil on, like so we can have all the seasonings stick. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and throw in my seasonings. I mixed them all together like so. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure your hands is washed, you guys. Make sure your hands is impeccably clean, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and massage this like so. We want to make sure every piece has some seasoning, okay? Because guess what, y'all? Well, like I tell y'all, ain't no blandness over here, and whatever I cook, it's gonna have some flavor, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my corn. As you can see, I added some seasonings already, so I'm gonna add my corn, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the remainder seasoning I have in this bowl like so. I'm gonna also go ahead and add my potatoes in, okay? We just want to make sure everything have some of this amazing seasoning. This is my house seasoning, y'all. So making sure all of this have my amazing seasoning, okay? And I want y'all to leave me some comments down below on how you guys, oops, y'all, one potato gone. Anyways, I want y'all to leave me some comments down below on how y'all make y'all seafood boils in the aluminum foil, okay? So what, aluminum foil pack, that's what y'all want to call it. I'm calling this my amazing seafood boil pack. That's what I'm calling this, y'all. So, okay. So, like I said, we're going to go ahead and make sure the shrimp, our sausage, our bell peppers, oh, y'all. Go ahead. Okay, y'all. So, I'm going to add a little more parsley to this. So I did start seasoning it already, but I want to make sure that the flavors are going to be evenly through. Now that I added my potatoes, as you can see, I added some onion in there. So I'm going to add a little bit more garlic powder in there. I had started my house seasoning, y'all, but I ran out. So we're just going to make sure everything have some flavor once I mix. It's my Tony's, y'all. You know, I put my Tony in not everything, but you know, majority. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add a little more Old Bay. We want this as a seafood, y'all, so we wanted to have that. Okay, y'all, I'm adding a little bit of chili, crushed chili, red peppers. That's what I'm adding. It's gonna have a little bit of kick, y'all, and it's gonna be good. Okay. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and finish massaging. Dang it! Another potato going down the drain. Alright, y'all, be right back. Okay, y'all, we're ready to put our foil on our foil. Hey, alright, what? Okay, y'all, I'm playing. Anyway, so we're gonna make sure we just put everything on our foil, like in the middle, because we're gonna fold this a certain way, okay? But you want to make sure you got a little everything up in there. So we got some potatoes, some corn, lemon, shrimp, of course. We got some sausage, y'all. We just gonna do it like so. Let me move this over a little bit. We don't want to be stingy with the sauce, with our sausage and shrimp, so I'm gonna put a little bit more in here, so them flavors can come together. Okay, y'all, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna add some butter to the top right here, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little more of this Old Bay on top, like so. Okay, and I'll be let me go ahead and wrap this up real quick. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna go this way, and then we're gonna go, well, actually we're gonna go up under that. How about that? Go under there like this, so we can make sure this is closed in there like so. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Butter got on my hand. I don't want that to seep down. We just turn this around real quick, y'all. Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna do it like so, and then we're just gonna bring this up. Okay, we're just locking in all this goodness, y'all. Lock it in, and then we're gonna do the same side, the other side, the same way. We're gonna lock it in. Let me fold that a little bit, y'all. Okay, there we go. All right, y'all, be back. This one up. Might be a little bit different from the first one, but they all gonna taste amazing. Okay, so we just gonna load them potatoes, sausage, shrimp, them bell peppers. Yes, y'all, we just gonna load them flavors up in there. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same process with the other, the last one. The same process, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of butter to this right here. We'll add some butter on top right there, and we're gonna sprinkle some Old Bay. Same process, y'all, just a little bit. Okay, and I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one like so. Remember I told y'all, make sure it's tight and sealed. We just gonna wrap it so like that. Okay, we're gonna close this, and we're gonna wrap this one like. Okay, y'all, so this is the last one. We're gonna go ahead and load. This one mainly gonna have potatoes, y'all. So I love me some potatoes. Okay, we're gonna throw a corn in there, and our sausage. Okay, so this is, we're just gonna do this like so. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the same process. We're gonna put our butter on top like so. Let me put the rest of these potatoes in here, y'all. Oh, don't you try to get away from me, sausage. You about to be good. Yes, y'all, yes. It's Friday, and I'm feeling good, y'all. Yes, this is gonna be so good, y'all. Hopefully y'all having a good Friday. Don't have too much fun though, y'all. Leave me some comments down below, y'all, on what y'all doing, how y'all spending y'all weekend, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this on up. We just gonna make it, like I said, real tight, y'all, real tight to lock in the steam and stuff, you know, because it's gonna get hot. So y'all be careful now. All right, so here's how they look. They going in the oven, y'all. Make it do what it do. All right, y'all, so I already got my oven set, preheated at 375. And we're gonna put it in the oven, and I'll let y'all know how long it took and how it turns out when I get back. Y'all get the first bite. Look, there we go. Look at that bell pepper. That's a red one though, y'all. There's a sausage. And I'm gonna give you a potato too, y'all. I'm not being stingy. If we can fit a shrimp on there, I'll even put a shrimp on there for y'all. There we go. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look at that. Yes, baby. Let's dip it in that sauce. Yes, baby. Y'all already taste this. I know this is banging. Okay, y'all. Let me take a bite for y'all. Oh, y'all, it's hot. I feel what it. It's hot, but it's good. All the flavors came together. Okay, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Bye.